So we do have the VLine up on the screen right here. We're in the aux source, so that's when it will appear. If we exit out to like the FM source, that'll come up, and we have full control over the factory side here. So we can go into our navigation, then do your settings, and then when you want to go to the VLine, you'll go to the aux source here. And once you're in the VLine, the knob will work here, and the touchscreen will also respond. So we do have a feature on here for the AC controls. So if you make any adjustments to those, it'll bring you back to the factory side and you can actually see what you're adjusting. If you do want to turn this off for any reason, that'll be up here in the upper left under VLine settings. And then it'll be under vehicle integration. And right up here, you'll see factory climate control. If we go ahead and turn that off, it no longer flips back. Alright, so for this vehicle, if you do want to have the VLine on the screen, but you want to listen to a factory source such as AM, FM, you'll go out to whatever source you want to listen to, and then you're just going to press and hold the status button right here. And then that'll force the VLine on the screen while we're in the FM source. And then if we want to go back, you can press and hold it again. Or if you have the VLine on the screen here and you want to go back, you can press the aux button, and now you should have the audio from the VLine while it's on the screen.